Imagine waking up every morning in a tropical paradise or sipping coffee on a cobblestone street in Europe, all while getting paid to live there. What if I told you that you could actually turn this dream into reality? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make it happen, so stick around. Welcome to World Without Borders, your go-to source for tips on living your best life abroad. Today, we're diving into how you can live in stunning countries like Portugal, Thailand, and Japan, and actually earn a living while doing it. Whether you're a digital nomad, a remote worker, or just someone looking for a fresh start, I've got you covered. The problem. Now, let's face it, many people dream of living abroad, but the biggest hurdle is figuring out how to make it financially viable. Leaving behind a steady paycheck can be scary, and many don't know where to start. But what if I told you that there are countless opportunities waiting for you? Top 5 countries where you can get paid to live. Number 1, Portugal. First up is Portugal, a true haven for digital nomads and remote workers. Over the past few years, this beautiful country has become increasingly popular among those looking to combine work with a stunning lifestyle digital nomad visa. The Portuguese government has recognized the growing trend of remote work and has created a digital nomad visa, making it easier for individuals from outside the EU to relocate. This visa allows remote workers to live in Portugal for up to 1 year, while working for a company not based in Portugal. To qualify, applicants typically need to demonstrate a stable income, around $2,800 a month for individual applicants, and provide proof of employment or business ownership. Cost of living. One of the most appealing aspects of living in Portugal is its affordable cost of living compared to other Western European countries. In cities like Lisbon and Porto, you can enjoy a high quality of life without breaking the bank. For example, renting a 1-bedroom apartment in Lisbon costs around $1,000 a month, while dining out at a local restaurant may only set you back about $15. This affordability means you can enjoy the culture, food, and lifestyle Portugal offers, while saving money. Vibrant cities and lifestyle. Portugal is known for its vibrant cities rich in history and culture. Lisbon, the capital, is famous for its picturesque streets, historic tram system, and lively neighborhoods like Alfama and Bairro Alto. The city is filled with trendy cafes, co-working spaces, and a thriving startup scene, making it an ideal spot for digital nomads. Porto, the country's second-largest city, is known for its stunning riverside views and the famous port wine cellars. Both cities host numerous meetups and networking events for expats and digital nomads, allowing you to connect with like-minded individuals. Tax incentives. In addition to the visa and lifestyle benefits, Portugal offers significant tax incentives for foreign residents. The non-habitual residency (NHR) program is a game changer, allowing certain foreign income to be taxed at a flat rate of just 20% for up to 10 years. This program is available to individuals in specific professions, such as technology, engineering, and healthcare, providing a fantastic opportunity for remote workers to maximize their income while enjoying the perks of living in a beautiful country. Safety and community. Portugal is also known for its friendly locals and safe environment, making it a welcoming place for expats. The country boasts a vibrant expat community, with many digital nomads sharing their experiences and offering support. This sense of community can help ease the transition for those relocating. In summary, Portugal is not just about breathtaking landscapes and rich culture. It's a top destination for digital nomads looking for a balanced lifestyle that combines work, travel, and leisure. With its enticing digital nomad visa, lower cost of living, and attractive tax incentives, Portugal is well positioned as a prime location for remote workers seeking adventure and a fresh start. Number 2, Japan. Teaching English. Next, let's talk about Japan, a country renowned for its rich culture, technological innovation, and a high demand for English teachers. With English becoming increasingly important in the global market, Japan is actively seeking qualified teachers to help improve English proficiency among its citizens. Teaching opportunities. One of the best ways to teach English in Japan is through the JET, Japan Exchange and Teaching Program. This prestigious government initiative recruits native English speakers to work in Japanese schools, providing a unique opportunity to live and work in the country. The JET program offers competitive salaries, typically ranging from $2,500 to $4,000 per month, depending on your qualifications and experience. This compensation allows you to enjoy a comfortable lifestyle while living in Japan. Benefits of the JET program. Beyond just a salary, The JET program provides several benefits that make it an attractive option for aspiring teachers. Health insurance. Participants receive comprehensive health coverage, ensuring you have access to medical care during your stay. Housing assistance. The program also assists with housing arrangements, which can help ease the transition into living in a new country. Many participants are placed in fully furnished apartments or receive a housing allowance, making it easier to settle in without the stress of finding accommodation. Cultural exchange. Working in Japanese schools allows you to engage directly with students and teachers, fostering cross-cultural exchange and deepening your understanding of Japanese customs and traditions. Salary expectations. The average salary for English teachers in Japan can vary widely based on factors such as qualifications, experience, and the type of institution you work for. While the JET program offers a structured salary, private language schools and conversation cafes can pay anywhere from $1,800 to $3,500 per month. Many teachers also supplement their income through private tutoring, which is quite common and can significantly boost your earnings. Cultural immersion. Imagine exploring the stunning landscapes of Kyoto with its iconic temples and gardens, or wandering the bustling streets of Tokyo with its neon lights and vibrant city life, all while getting paid to teach. Teaching in Japan offers not just a job, but an incredible opportunity to immerse yourself in a culture rich in history and tradition. You'll have the chance to participate in local festivals, try traditional Japanese cuisine, and build friendships with locals and fellow expats alike. Life outside the classroom. Living in Japan means you'll also have access to a well-connected public transportation system, making it easy to travel around the country. Whether you want to experience the cherry blossoms in spring, the hot springs in winter, or the serene beauty of Mount Fuji, Japan has something for everyone. In conclusion, teaching English in Japan through programs like the JET program is not just a job. It's a life-changing experience that offers competitive pay, health benefits, housing assistance, and the chance to fully immerse yourself in one of the world's most fascinating cultures. For those looking to expand their horizons while earning a living, Japan is an exceptional destination to consider. Number 3, Thailand Remote Work Hub. Moving on to Thailand, a favorite destination for digital nomads and remote workers from around the globe. Known for its stunning beaches, rich culture, and vibrant lifestyle, Thailand offers an enticing mix of work and play that draws many to its shores. Affordable cost of living. One of the most attractive aspects of living in Thailand is the affordable cost of living. Compared to Western countries, your money goes much further here. You can enjoy delicious street food for just a few dollars, find comfortable accommodations for a fraction of the price, and take advantage of various amenities that cater to expats without breaking the bank. This affordability allows you to maintain a high quality of life while enjoying the beauty and diversity of Thailand. Popular cities for digital nomads. Cities like Chiang Mai and Bangkok have become hotspots for digital nomads, each offering unique experiences and resources. Chiang Mai, often regarded as the digital nomad capital of Thailand, Chiang Mai is known for its laid-back vibe and thriving expat community. The city boasts numerous co-working spaces, making it easy to find a productive environment to work in while connecting with like-minded individuals. The local community is friendly and supportive, with various networking events and meetups to help you build relationships and expand your professional circle. Bangkok. As the bustling capital, Bangkok offers a dynamic urban lifestyle. With a more fast-paced environment, it provides endless opportunities for entertainment, dining, and cultural experiences. The city is filled with modern co-working spaces equipped with high-speed internet, ensuring you have everything you need to be productive while enjoying the vibrant city life. Cultural experiences. Living in Thailand allows you to immerse yourself in a rich culture that blends traditional and modern influences. You can explore stunning temples, participate in local festivals, and experience Thai hospitality firsthand. The diverse landscapes range from picturesque islands to lush mountains, providing plenty of opportunities for exploration during your downtime. Visa options. For those looking to stay long-term, the Thai Elite Visa is an excellent option for digital nomads. This program is designed for foreign nationals who wish to live in Thailand for an extended period, offering several benefits. Long-term residency. The Thai Elite Visa allows you to stay in Thailand for up to 20 years, depending on the package you choose. This long-term residency option means you can plan your life in Thailand without the constant worry of visa renewals, convenience, and ease. The visa application process is straightforward, and holders receive services such as airport pickup, access to exclusive lounges, and assistance with immigration matters. This level of support makes the transition to life in Thailand smoother and more enjoyable. Access to a thriving community. As a Thai Elite visa holder, you will also be part of an exclusive network of other expats and digital nomads, offering opportunities for networking and collaboration. In summary, Thailand stands out as a top destination for remote workers due to its beautiful landscapes, vibrant culture, and affordable lifestyle. The welcoming expat communities in cities like Chiang Mai and Bangkok, combined with long-term residency options like the Thai Elite visa, make it easier than ever to settle down and thrive in this tropical paradise. If you're looking for a place where you can work, explore, and enjoy life to the fullest, Thailand should be at the top of your list. Number 4, Estonia e-residency for entrepreneurs. Estonia is revolutionizing entrepreneurship with its e-residency program, allowing anyone to establish and manage a business online, no matter where they live. As an e-resident, you can register a company, open a bank account, and file taxes digitally, gaining full access to Estonia's advanced e-services. This is ideal for digital entrepreneurs, freelancers, and startups seeking to operate globally, especially within the EU market. Estonia's reputation as a leading tech hub makes it an exciting destination for innovation, with cities like Tallinn boasting a thriving startup scene and major success stories like Skype. With its seamless digital infrastructure and business-friendly environment, Estonia offers a powerful blend of efficiency, entrepreneurial support, and cultural charm. Plus, the country's medieval beauty and modern conveniences make it a unique place for tech-driven businesses to thrive. Number 5, Chile Startup Visa Program. Last but not least is Chile, which has launched a startup visa program aimed at attracting entrepreneurs. This program offers benefits like expedited residency and support for launching businesses. With stunning landscapes from the Atacama Desert to the Patagonian fjords, Chile is not only a beautiful place to live, but also an exciting environment to grow your business. The capital, Santiago, has a thriving startup ecosystem that provides resources and networking opportunities for entrepreneurs. Tips for getting started. So, how can you start your journey? Here are some practical tips. Research visa options. Look into digital nomad visas, working holiday visas, and entrepreneurship programs that suit your situation. Find remote work opportunities. Websites like Upwork, Remote, and Fiverr can connect you with jobs that allow you to work from anywhere. Learn basic language skills. Apps like Duolingo can help you learn essential phrases before you go, making it easier to integrate into your new community. Now, I know many of you might be worried about things like language barriers or cultural differences, but fear not. Many of these countries have large expat communities, and services are often available in English. Plus, learning a few local phrases can help you connect with locals and enrich your experience. Now, I want to hear from you. Which country would you love to live in? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on how to live and work abroad. Thanks for watching.